Hi, you know what? Today I received an unusual box from Xiaomi Malaysia. I received it this morning and I'm not sure what is inside, but roughly I can guess what is inside. This could be related to the latest Redmi Note 10 series, which they just recently launched, because there are some hints on the wrapper itself, like 108, 120, 6.67 and 5020 and 3.5, 732. All these numbers actually represent the new Redmi Note 10 series. Example, the 108 is the main camera megapixel count, 120 is the refresh rate of the display, 6.67 is the display size, 3.5 is the audio jack, the 3.5mm audio combo jacks, and it also has 5020, that's the battery capacity, and 732 is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 732 processor. So if this is just a smartphone, why Redmi send me such long box? Could it be few of the Redmi Note 10 that I can do a giveaway? I wish to. Let's open it up and see what is inside. If I got few units here, probably I can do a giveaway. But I have to ask Xiaomi Malaysia first. Okay, that's the card here. Dear DID Mobile, ready to challenge your boundaries? Get ready to go to the extreme with the Redmi Note 10 series. Designed to be the best in class, the Redmi Note 10 series reached new height with its amazing cameras, display, batteries, and dual speaker features. Tag us with your most extreme challenge on Facebook and Instagram from Xiaomi Malaysia. So I think they want to challenge me to do skateboarding. I never tried this before. I guess challenge accepted. And what else? Okay, this skateboard is from Oxelo. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Oxelo, Oxelo. And then what I expected, Redmi Note 10. So I get the Redmi Note 10, the standard one, the non-pro. Let's put this aside. I'll be doing another videos of unboxings and reviews of this device very soon. So probably I can just let you guys see and have a quick look of the Redmi Note 10. So that's about it. If you are new here, my name is Joshua Wong, a small content creator from Malaysia. So I do how-to tech unboxings and reviews on these channels. And if this is your kind of stuff, do consider subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.